Hello, welcome to IndiaGlitz.com, your friendly neighborhood reviewer reporting once again for duty. I am friendly most of the time, unless the film's really shite like it was last week. And guys, man, it doesn't matter what it is. Machine was crap. Anyway, let's move ahead to Anarkali of Ara. I really like good performers. And I think Nil Bate Sanata in 2016 was one of the best performances by an actor. And Swara Bhaskar just rose. Tannu Veds Mannu, Ranjana, she's been doing it for a while. But that was a solo film. This itself is also a solo film. So when you come to think about the concept, it's very interesting. It's like a PP-like kind of flavor. What's the story? About a singer slash nachaniya in Bihar. So you've got this Anarkali that the world loves with the loud lipstick and the loud makeup, but still looks rather beautiful. And the whole town loves her. But of course, there is your evil Vice Chancellor slash MP slash politician, also a gunda, played by Sanjay Mishra, who has a thing for her. An altercation happens, and then obviously her Izzat Abru is in trouble in front of the entire nation, and she fights back. So it's like a Desi Pink. Yep, you got it right. A Desi Pink with a very rustic village kind of feel. This film itself was bestowed with brilliant actors. Pankaj Tripathi, after coming into his own with the Gangs of Wasseypur kind of cinema, he just looks so at ease. I love the way he acts. Sanjay Mishra has been there for a long time. The Apple Singh days. Remember cricket and Apple Singh's days? He's been there since then, man. But I think came into his own with Dum Laga Ke Aisha. And now just is like a prerequisite for every film. And then you have Ishtiaq Khan. This little fellow, just with his eyes and expression, looks so awesome. I have a feeling he's going to be the next big... he reminds me of Rajpal Yadav, okay? But a cute Rajpal Yadav. And then, of course, you have the tour de force, that is Swara Bhaskar. So the first 15-20 minutes, you got some awesome bits in there. Pavni Pandey's songs also, very naughty, double meaning. They work very well for the film. The problem happens is that the plot is actually 15 minutes long. And they've stretched it for 2 hours. So although you've got like some interesting bits and pieces that come in there, strong performances by Swara Bhaskar, and you're going, yes, it is working in parts. But the problem is, or the key word is parts. It does not carry forward as a complete film. In fact, the second half, for the first 20 minutes, rather drags, when there's like this emotional turmoil that's going on inside Swara Bhaskar. And that's the way the story goes. There is a graph that takes it to a high point, but the problem is that low point is rather long. Then there is a fight back. And I like the way that it's been shot, on a munch, in a stage. Like how Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra likes to use song and dance to bring a story forward. How he did in Dilli Chain, how he did miserably in Mirziyan. But those portions I liked. So here, similar kind of filmmaking has been used. Swara Bhaskar, for her worth, carries the film admirably on her shoulders. And you almost have a crush on her talent. Then the problem arises. With all these fine actors, how could the pace have dropped so badly? And I'm sorry to say, but according to me, it did drop very badly. It was like an engine that was looking to start and go into 5th gear, but just got stuck into 3rd gear. So in spite of some fantastic performances, in spite of a fantastically delicious script, I don't think it rose to the occasion that I would have wanted it to rise. So I'm going to give 2.5 stars for this because it left me hanging midway. There weren't enough songs in there to like. Sometimes you have films these days where the song is enough. Here, they just want that many pieces in there to like. Though, realistic performances by Swara will only take her stature as an actor higher. And Avinash Das, a very good attempt as a first director. But I do feel the screenplay sort of lagged, which is why it sort of lagged. 2.5 stars. Sorry guys, but you guys can stay in touch. Salil Acharya it is, my Instagram and Twitter handle. And on YouTube, as I see all the comments, and as you all also see, I do reply back. It's not arrogance. It's a healthy debate and a dialogue. You give the galis, you'll get it back. You keep the debate going, I'll keep the debate going. Bye-bye and take care.